Welcome back to Luxury View, where power meets precision. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated supercars of the decade, the all-new 2025 Nissan GT-R R36. A rebirth of the Japanese legend, evolved for a new generation. The R36 is more than just a successor to the R35, it's a bold reimagination of what the GT-R badge stands for. Sleeker, sharper, and even more aggressive, the design reflects Nissan's commitment to performance-driven styling. At the front, a redesigned V-motion grille dominates, flanked by sleek, angular LED headlamps and large air intakes with extreme aerodynamic efficiency. From the side, the R36 carries a muscular silhouette with sculpted lines and lowered roofline for better drag. Carbon fiber side skirts and Porsche 21 wheels enhance both looks and engine, while a longer wheelbase improves high-speed stability. The rear is unmistakably GT-R, quad exhaust, dramatic LED taillights, and a new active aero wing that adapts based on speed. Everything here is functional, engineered for downforce and cooling under pressure. Now let's talk performance, the heart of the R36. Powering this beast with a newly developed 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid, producing a jaw-dropping 710 horsepower and 780 newton-meters of torque. Mated to a reworked dual-clutch 8-speed transmission, the R36 rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 2.5 seconds. The new hybrid system isn't just about efficiency, it's about immediate torque delivery. The electric motor assists during acceleration, eliminating turbo lag and enhancing low-end run, making this the quickest and most responsive GT-R ever built. Handling has taken a quantum leap. The R36 features Nissan's latest ATES all-wheel drive system with torque vector, adaptive suspension, and rear-wheel steering. On the track, it's a scalpel,